If GOG Galaxy is showing error E15, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help get your game working again. We'll start by manually running the uninstaller, then we'll verify and repair the game files, and finally, we'll use the offline installers method to reinstall the game properly. This is a great troubleshooting guide if the client is stuck, the game won't remove correctly, or your installation is acting up after an update. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to run the game's uninstaller manually. Open GOG Galaxy and go to the game that's causing the problem. Next, click the Customize button, which is the option right next to the Play button. From there, go to Manage Installation and choose Show Folder. This will open the local game directory on your computer. Inside that folder, look for a file called uninstallers.exe. In some cases, it may appear as uninstallers.exe, so keep an eye out for both names. Once you find it, double-click it to run the uninstaller manually. Let the uninstall process finish completely, and once it's done, restart GOG Galaxy. After reopening the client, check your library and see if the game has been removed from your installed list. In many cases, this alone can clear the error and let the client refresh properly. If that didn't fully solve the issue, the next step is to verify and repair the game files. This is useful when the installation is corrupted, missing files, or causing Galaxy to behave strangely. In your library, click the game again and then select the small icon next to the play button. Open Manage Installation and then choose Verify and Repair. GOG Galaxy will begin scanning the installation, comparing the files on your computer against the official version. If it finds anything broken, missing, or corrupted, it will automatically re-download those files and fix the installation. Make sure to wait until the process completes, because interrupting it can cause the problem to continue. Once it's finished, try launching the game again and see whether the error has been resolved. If you still have trouble, the last method is to install using the offline backup installers. This is especially helpful if Galaxy is not handling the installation correctly or if the game needs to be re-imported into the client. Go to your GOG account in your browser and find the game in your library. Then click Download Offline Backup Game Installers. Save the installer files to your computer, and once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and run the installer directly from there. Follow the setup steps on screen and let it finish installing the game. After that, open GOG Galaxy again, and it should automatically detect and import the game into your installed view. This can help refresh the client and get everything back in sync. So, to quickly recap, if you're getting GOG Error E15, first try running the uninstaller manually from the game folder, then verify and repair the files, and if needed, reinstall using the offline backup installers. One of these methods usually fixes the issue and gets GOG Galaxy working normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.